Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your TOZO Tonal Dots are charging? So you can connect your charging case to the power. At the back side we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. And if you see the LED light on the front side, meaning that your charging case charging. Also, you can check it if you open the charging case. Right here we have also the LED light. If it's blinking, it means that it's charging. But it's just only for the charging case. So how to check it for the earbuds? You can open TOZO app. Now you need to check how much battery you have right now. Then put your earbuds to the charging case and wait some time, let's say 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds just remove it from the charging case and then check it in the application, is the battery level changed. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!